15.5 is what I need. So along that line, 9.25. There's that one. We get 2 more lines. This is going to become very boring very quickly. But you're here for the whole process. At the end of it, we will have the first piece of this pattern. Again, you don't use seam allowance when you're doing spandex. You just don't. At the bottom of the 29, we have to center it, and we have a very specific measurement to take. It is centered. We have to measure das Nooch for width. As you can tell, it's a toy, it's a doll, there's nothing there. There is not going to be a pocket attached. But we got 2 inches. 2-inch spacing between the thighs. So run that straight line again. 1 inch to this side, 1 inch to this side. There's our bottom edge. I'll get the next 2 lines. I'm only going to do this. I'm only going to force you through this whole process for the first piece so you can see the amount of effort involved. After that, I'll just do the work. You won't have to watch me, which is probably a good thing for both of us. I work faster when I'm not using the camera, and more gets done. Okay, so there, as you can see, we're starting to get a shape. Now let's see about these armholes and the collar width. I'll just check the numbers. There is no collar width marked. I'll have to measure that then. We need a length of 8. Just measure from the top line. We find the center. Go 4 to one side, 4 to the other side. And do it with a ruler because that's how this is going to work. next one will be the shoulder round, which is 16. I need half of it, which is 8. And the shoulder width from that collar point out, which is 5. We're going to align those two, make them meet up properly. Actually, it's not 5. Put that arm in the right spot. Point of the shoulder is 7. So 7 that way. To line that up with 8 this way. There. We got a point to work with there. Just inside the corner is a point, and that is the last point on this piece, after which we cut. So, with this incredibly severe figure, that's the first piece of the pattern. I'll draw out the rest of it, and then I'll get back to you.